This is a Pinnacle CNC machining centre. It's got a rotary axis up the top there, a B axis, so that can swivel around, and then you've got the rotary table in the middle. So it's like a 5-axis milling machine. The difference is that that rotary table in the middle you can just turn into a lathe, so you can spin that around, you can turn components on it. So it's a really versatile machine. Nice big machine envelope. It's got a Heidenhain 640 control. Really versatile control. But what I want to show you here is something really clever. It's got the ability to balance itself. So when you put a part on that table and you want to turn something and it's out of balance, you can run this little program and it effectively just checks it and then tells you how to balance it up. So this is how you do it. First of all, you're looking for this button that says manual cycles. You press that button there, manual cycles. Then you've got this turning icon, press that, and then trying to get rid of that there. So it says check unbalance, and then you tell it the speed that you want to run the machine at. So I'll put in here just 75 RPM. Press cycle start. Then the machine will run up, and it's obviously working out where everything is and everything. So it spins in one direction for a minute or so, and then after it's had a good look at that, so you just have to, that's it. So it stops and then it goes in the other direction, spins up in the other direction. All the while it's checking, see how much out of balance and everything it is. And then what it does then is it stops. Then on your screen comes up with this display, and you'll see it's telling you everything you need to know. Run out, speed, where you need to put your weight and what weight you need, which is absolutely brilliant. So all you need to do is just look at that chart, put that in, and then all you do is put it back on again, and then it's got another button that you press and it actually checks it again and checks that everything you've got's right. So then when you spin it up to speed, your components all in balance. I just think that's brilliant.